unexpected job loss, guided meditation, and mindset reset for your next chapter. Welcome. You're here because something unexpected has happened, something painful. You've lost your job. And right now, that may feel like the ground has shifted beneath your feet. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Again, in and out. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your thoughts settle like dust in still water. You don't need to fix anything in this moment. You only need to arrive here exactly as you are. Losing a job isn't just losing income. It can feel like losing identity, routine, and certainty. If you feel anger, confusion, or sadness, it's okay. You are allowed to feel all of it. Bring to mind the moment it happened, when the news reached you. Notice how your body remembers it. Maybe a tightening in the chest, a hollow space in the stomach, a rush of energy behind the eyes. Breathe into that place. Say silently, I recognize this pain. I allow myself to feel it. Your job was part of your story, not the whole story. You are far more than a title or a paycheck. You are a whole, evolving human being, capable of renewal. Now, with each exhale, release the urge to replay what happened. With each inhale, imagine drawing in space, room for something new. Visualize yourself standing in an open field at dawn. Soft light spills across the grass. The sky is painted in pastels: peach, gold, and mint. Behind you are footprints from your past role, familiar but fading. Ahead stretches open land, your blank canvas. Inhale, the field expands. Exhale, the old footprints dissolve. You are safe. You are whole. You are ready to begin again. Let's shift perspective. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" ask, "What might this experience be inviting me toward?" Every ending holds information. What strengths surfaced in you during this time? What lessons are emerging that you couldn't see before? Imagine writing in a notebook. What did I learn? What am I good at? What excites me now? Perhaps you see patterns, your ability to listen, to lead, to create calm in chaos. These qualities are yours. They travel with you. Say quietly, "My value is constant. My worth is inherent. This door closed, but others await." Picture tomorrow morning. You open your eyes and take one kind, grounded step. Maybe you review your finances calmly. Maybe you reach out to someone you trust. Maybe you schedule a walk to clear your mind. Maybe you open your calendar and block 1 hour titled Next Steps. Let this action be gentle, a whisper, not a roar. Because healing isn't rushed, it's nurtured. Inhale possibility. Exhale fear. You are moving forward. One breath, one action at a time. Now, let these affirmations settle deep within. I am worthy beyond any job title. I allow myself time to heal and rebuild. My past role prepared me for what's next. I am open to new opportunities. I trust the timing of my life. I build from strength, not from fear. Each step teaches me something valuable. I am more than what I gave. I am what I'm becoming. See your future self standing in that same open field. Their shoulders relaxed, their gaze steady. They turn toward you and smile. Ask silently, what is one small choice I can make today that future me will thank me for? Listen. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale completely. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring gentle awareness back to your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. This ending is not a collapse, it's a turning. You haven't lost yourself. You're rediscovering who you are. Thank you for taking this time to breathe and to heal. Your next chapter begins.